I welcome you to a small presentation on University of Mumbai's Master Degree in Emotional Intelligence and Human Relations, which is integrated with Master My Life's 10 certifications and International Coaching Federation's 2 coach training certifications. Curriculum of this program has been founded on 3 pillars: development of life skills, development of entrepreneurship and leadership skills, and making you a specialized professional. In development of life skills, the subjects cover emotional intelligence, behavioral intelligence, neuro-linguistic programming, conversational intelligence, cognitive neuroscience, as well as Indian Vedic wisdom and psychology. In development of entrepreneurship and leadership skill, there are a variety of the subjects to develop your managerial talent, leadership talent, entrepreneurship talent, as well as to develop you as a global citizen. The peak of the curriculum is into specializations. You can choose one of the 4 specializations: learning and development, key account management, corporate strategy and communication, and consultant. You will be supported with industry internships as well as placement in global organizations. There are multiple avenues for you after completing this master degree. If you choose a specialization of key account management, many industry sectors has a great demand for key account management professionals. If you choose a specialization of corporate strategy and communication, you can make your career in any of the large corporates or management consultancies. If you choose to be a consultant, you can start your own practice as emotional intelligence consultant. If you choose a specialization of learning and development, of course you can become a trainer, but you can also become an internal coach because you will have International Coaching Federation certifications. Program features: other than University of Mumbai's master degree, you will get 10 additional certifications from Master My Life and 2 additional certifications from International Coaching Federation. The program consists of 12 months of online blended learning plus 8 months of industry internship. Of course, you will get placement support in over 100 corporates. You will also get memberships and you will participate in many professional groups and associations related to the corporate communication, marketing and key account management, as well as training, learning and development and human resources. Each student will get a personal mentor. This program is delivered in a flexible way. You will get 24/7 access to a learning management system. You can learn from anywhere, anytime. Of course, you need to attend online live faculty sessions, but also you will be supported with recordings in case you miss few of the sessions. You will get comprehensive, expert curated student study guides wherein you will get notes of each and every subject which you can utilize during the program as well as after the program. You will get lifelong membership to Master My Life's e-library, as well as you will get continuous placement and career transition support from the Master My Life. The last date of application is 13th of August 2021. Eligibility: any graduate provided you pass a written examination and interview. The fees for the program is 1.3 lakh rupees per semester, which can be paid in installments. We will support you with Earn While Learn scheme, wherein a part-time job will be offered to you to support payment of fees. If you want to know more about this program, you can attend induction cum introduction session on 13th of August at 6 p.m. You can check the video description for Zoom meeting link as well as to download the brochure. You can call us for further information. Thank you.